Reviewing an exam from Quia Books and stuck with a QBEXAM file? This format stores exam content from the Quia online education platform. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll explain how to access these Quia Books exam files. The final quickest method is on the way. The efficacy of this tool hinges on the speed and analysis power of a single QBEXAM file inspection program that services hundreds of formats. QBEXAM files are exam content files from Quia Books, an online education and assessment platform. They store exam questions, answer choices, correct responses, scoring rules, and exam metadata, enabling instructors to create, deliver, and grade exams through the Quia Books educational platform with consistent formatting. QBEXAM exam files use a Quia-defined structured format, storing exam questions of various types, including multiple-choice essay matching and fill-in-the-blank, along with answer keys, point values, exam settings, time limits, and access controls. The format integrates with the Quia Books platform for online exam delivery. Windows registers the QBEXAM file as an opener for Quia Books developed by Quia. The extraction process relies on algorithms not included in the Windows operating system. Windows supports previewing only, so meaningful editing requires a compatible application. We'll conduct a full check of installed file readers now. Right-click your QBEXAM file and select Open With. Test Quia Books if it appears. If it fails, select the next application. Testing eliminates uncertainty. If your QBEXAM file is not opening yet, that is normal. The refusal of the file to open is likely not complex. It's one of the top 3 basic reasons. I'll give you a simple 3-point checklist of common causes and the immediate fix for each. First, opening in Quia Books. Log into your Quia Books instructor account and navigate to your exam management area. Use the Import or Open Exam function and select the QBEXAM file. The platform loads the exam into your instructor workspace where you can review, edit, publish, or assign the exam to students. Next, inspecting file contents. Try opening the QBEXAM file in a text editor like Notepad++ to check if the format is text-based XML or JSON. Readable content reveals questions and structure. For binary QBEXAM files, the Quia Books platform is required to properly parse and use the exam content. Finally, contacting Quia support. If you cannot import the QBEXAM file or do not have a Quia Books account, contact Quia customer support for assistance. They can advise on account access platform compatibility and provide guidance on importing exam content from various source formats into the Quia Books educational assessment platform. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. You may find success with a solution built on independent file logic that aims to read the file header at the byte level to identify the format, regardless of its current label. Since we tried everything on the format, it's time for the professional fix. FileMagick is your best bet for files that are unreadable by Windows or standard open source programs. You can find it at filemagick.com. If the problem is solved, please show your support by liking and subscribing right now.